access to a platform that can generate passive income from the public. Imagine this.
Tingnan niyo yung lips, mga sanggay.
Last month, you could have earned 2 million Philippine pesos, but you didn't even know about this opportunity. Why has the government, including PBBM himself, decided to keep this a secret? Why don't they want you to know?
Alam niyo mga sanggay, yung mga video na Chinese, tapos ginagawan po ng parang dub, ganito, pero ang ginawa lamang po, dahil may AI na, pinagsabay po yung bibig, pinilit po talaga na isabay, pero halatak pa rin po talaga yung bunganga mga sanggay, the way na magsalita.
Bongbong Marcos
Ito, si Razon.
is hiding my income-generating platform from the public. It is fully legal and available to everyone
Birang kaboses na kaboses din po talaga niya.
with a minimal deposit of
Sino ang pangalan nito? Si Enrique Razon ba? Tama ba? Check na natin mga sanggay. Isa